Hey everybody, we're out here at Cisco Live and I've been chatting with Gray here from bitsIO about OT and manufacturing and Splunk. And you've got a lot of background in this space. Can we get some of your perspective?
Yeah, absolutely. So I've been using Splunk in the OT space for a pretty decent amount of time. I first came across it in the manufacturing setting where my management came by and they said, "Hey, take a look at this and see what you can find out." And he says, "I already got the data in there. Just let me know what you can find out." And I taught myself Splunk, and I thought it was the greatest thing in the world because I could correlate data and from different systems that I had never seen before. Because at the heart of what I understood Splunk to be, it was an investigation platform. And the thing about an investigation platform, you have BI tools, you have all this visualization, but what Splunk can allow us to do is actually dive into the data in a way that doing data analytics is possible, in a way that I haven't seen before.
Yeah, that's really incredible. You got a lot of background there. Can you give me a little bit more information of where I can get more educated on this?
Yeah, absolutely. If you're wanting to find out more, there's a lot of case studies online for one of my former employers where we were working in doing data analytics and bringing that information up to the surface to make actionable insights to the business units to make decisions as quickly as possible. If you want to know more, please reach out to the bitsIO team. They're a number one partner for Splunk, and they'll be here to help you out and anything you want to do inside of the OT space, whether that is data and for process or cybersecurity.
Fantastic. Thanks so much for your time today.
Absolutely. Appreciate it. Thank you.